am a student of this awesome college, and I have come from Qatar, Doha. And I came to this college because it was one of the top colleges in this area. I love this college. It has made me more innovative. I mean, there our college holds many seminars. Scientists from all around the world like Hong Kong, Malaysia, Singapore, and even Germany and France have come to our campus to give seminars, and we have been able to share our ideas and cultivate our minds to their level. I mean, the college is exposing us to such a competitive world that when I came here, I just came out like a 12th standard kid. But this college has made me a professional already. I've been here for 2 years, but in 2 more years, I am going to have the time of my life. Thank you.
We are the Queens of Winds Christian Women's College of Engineering, and we consider ourselves as the most luckiest people in the world because as we are chosen this college, and we are provided with a very good teaching panel. About all the staffs are rank holders from Anna University Chennai and almost others having distinctions with them. And about our seniors, they are very happy because they are placed in multinational companies like TCS, TVS, Infosys, Wipro and all. Because we are provided with a very good placement training, that is NAN level placement training conducted here. And about our teachers, they're not like behaves like a teacher, they're like our elder sisters. We are very free to communicate with them and we can ask anything about studies. And about our management, they're very encouraging and very supporting. Thank you.